So I got this on a Part X with a Sir on. It was running and riding. You'll see in the video it was running and riding when I got it.
Put up your right hand and your left one toe and then one finger, this are the gun finger.
Part one of the rebuild. She's clean. Next polish. Started it already kinda. Next is polish. Greasing everywhere. Pro pack. All my bits. Should get moved when I build it, but she's in place. Everything I need's here. Everything's there. Got my bolts there. Just need the heart. But I could do with take some of this off. So I washed it. So it stayed dryish. Dry enough. All the connections are now free. I've put new bottom bearings, new bushes in the bottom, new bearings in the back, new bearings in the front. Fork seals are fine, headset bearings are fine. Everything else is perfect. Engine back and build, I guess. I need a new exhaust, but some of the polish. Come up alright, better than that. Let's get to building. Well, I've decided it wasn't running and riding enough for me. Full bottom and top end rebuild on the engine. Full frame, nut and bolt rebuild. Get it singing nice for a year's worth of riding. If I get a year's worth of riding. But she'll be good. Be nice and dialed when she's done. She'll be nice. I know it's a mess in here, fucking up. Just excuse that. That's the pretty part.